Most expensive homes in London. London is a desirable city with decades of history, and it is home of many famous landmarks like the London Eye and Big Ben. Additionally, it is also home to some of the world's most luxurious and expensive houses. London has so much to offer in terms of luxury and expensive things. In fact, London is itself in the list of most expensive cities in the world. It is home to the world's most expensive apartments as well. So are you ready to explore some of the world's most luxurious homes in UK's capital? You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video, we are going to check out the most expensive homes in London. So let's get started and dive into the details. Number 10. Ashburn House. A fabulous stunning house in the heart of Chelsea, which covers 9,000 square feet and spans over 5 floors, has a price of £28 million. This home is lavishly decorated and can find 5 bedrooms, dining room, open-plan kitchen, spa, steam room, and a private cinema, amongst numerous other high-end facilities. But the main specialty of this unique home, which makes it so expensive, is the Studio Morpheus, which designed this house by using the famous Ashburn diamond as inspiration. Ashburn diamond is an antique amber-color diamond which was once included in the Russian crown jewels. While incorporating this diamond theme in this house, designer made sure that every component fits in the overall scheme. From custom-made furniture to bronze details, every inch of the house adds to its brilliance. This modern-day architectural gem is not just opulent but can even be considered a piece of art. That's why to purchase this home it will cost you £28 million. Stay calm by keeping a hand on your wallet because this is just the starting. 73 Chester Square, Belgravia. A 6-story Georgian mansion in London, Belgravia that houses 6 bedrooms, a roof terrace, gym, and a drawing room. Luxury and class is obvious in every inch of this lavishly decorated property. And if you want to get your hands on it, you will have to fork out £30 million to be exact. The main specialty of this house, which makes it so expensive, is that this was a home of former British Prime Minister Margaret. She lives in this house from 1991 until she passed away in 2013. The property has since been refurbished by its current owner and now on sale with a jaw-dropping price. Number 8. Heathfield Park Highgate. This confidential and movie-style masterpiece offers 10 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, glass life, gym, swimming pool, roof terrace, pretty much everything you can imagine in an extravagant house. From the roof terrace, you can view the massive gardens and nearby Hampstead Heath. This property spans over 2 acres of land and it definitely wasn't built in a day. In fact, it is believed to have taken its owner more than 10 years to build, back when it was first built. And these days, it will set you back a hefty £40 million. Now, if you are wondering that £40 million is a lot, then I must say that it is nothing in front of the next properties in our list. So if you want to hear about them, then stay tuned. Number 7. Mayfair Mansion. For the worth of £40 million, you can also get this beautiful Mayfair Mansion, which is closely situated to Regent Park and Primrose Hill. However, it is not just the location that makes it so sought after, but rather what is contained within its 4 walls. This expensive property spans over 4 floors and offers 7 bedrooms, cinema, game room, gym, and a beautiful kitchen. It's an ultimate royalty experience inside the mansion, and you can experience that by spending £40 million. Number 6. 72 Vincent Square. The location of this house is in the heart of London. This beautifully detached home is located near Buckingham Palace, right around the corner from Big Ben, and walking distance to many local and historical amenities. Well, now you can understand that with this type of location, why this home was sold for £44.6 million in 2018. But now its price is anonymous. But surely it will be much higher than the price in 2018. Number 5. Franchuk Villa. A home of great architecture, space, and lush interior. This villa got its name from its previous owner. Elena Franchuk, who is the daughter of former Ukrainian President Granchuk. He bought this property in £80 million, but that eventually sold it to the next owner. And then the next owner decided to add more luxuries in it, such as an underground swimming pool, to take it to the next level of opulence. This mansion offers 10 wonderful bedrooms, gym, sauna, movie room, and a stylish kitchen, which are spread over 6 floors and 21,000 square feet of living space. Needless to say, if there is one thing you won't want in this house, is the space and luxury, of course. Number 4. Whittenhurst. This property has 65 rooms across its 3 floors, which includes 25 bedrooms, and you can get this with the £95 million. It is located in Highgate, northwest London, and was originally built between 1913 and 1924. This property has several prominent owners, including Russian billionaire Andrei Korya and Yelena Ballerina, the widow of former mayor of Moscow. What makes this property even more interesting is the fact that it's not only beautiful and incredibly expensive, but has been used as a filming location for various films and television shows. Some of the most known projects filmed at the estate. So if you love history and luxury together, then this house is the perfect choice for you. Number 3. Toprak Mansion. This house is situated in one of the elite areas of North London. This 12-bedroom house was first built by Turkish industrialist and banker Halis Toprak, but eventually it was sold out. The next owner made this property more luxurious by spending £30 million, including a helipad. This amazing mansion spans over 28,000 square feet of luxury, along with a dining room that is big enough for 40 people, a glass lift, and a Turkish bath. Not to mention, this big mansion has a big garage with the capacity of 28 cars at a time. Now, let's talk about the price of this beautiful masterpiece. This mansion is currently valued at £105 million, so a whopping big price for a big mansion. Number 2. 219 Kingston Palace Garden. Kingston Palace Garden is known as Billionaires Row for good reason. It is home to some of the most expensive properties in the entire world. This property was bought by Lakshmi Mittal, the world's 4th richest man according to Forbes, back in 2004. Mittal bought this property for £57 million, nearly a third of what it is valued at now, which is £149 million. Who would have thought buying a home for £57 million would be considered a steal? Before heading to number 1, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more luxurious videos like this. Number 1. Hyde Park. And here comes the most expensive house in our list, with a whopping cost of £160 million. One Hyde Park is a residential and retail complex situated in Knightsbridge, London, and it is owned by a joint venture between British billionaire Christine Kennedy and a former Prime Minister of Qatar, Sheikh Hamad bin Jassim. It is easily one of the most expensive residences in the world. In fact, in 2018, a flat in the complex sold for an astonishing price of £160 million. As you can imagine, a price like that comes with a lot of exclusive benefits. Residents of One Hyde Park have complete access to 24/7 cinema, spa, fully equipped gym, and even a virtual experience room. This is surely a dream luxurious home for everyone. That's it for today's video of most expensive homes in London. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more expensive and luxurious videos like this. And if you have any video idea, let me know in the comments below. I'll surely consider it. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.